how to download Python software. First, open the any browser, that is Google Chrome or Edge, and type python.org and press enter button. After that, you will be redirected to the Python official website, that is python.org, and just place your mouse on downloads menu. Then you can observe here, as and today this is the latest version Python 3.11.3. Just click on this button, automatically the file will be downloaded into your system, and just double click on that. Then click on run. So as we have seen already, this dialog box you can observe here, and check this checkbox, already we discussed it, and after that click on install now. So this is the installation process, setup progress, you can observe here. This take few minutes only. Yes, the setup progress is near to complete. Now the setup is completed. Finally, you will get this message, that is setup was successful. Just click on close button. After installation of the Python, just in the search box type Python. You will identify the softwares installed related to the Python. That's it regarding to the installation process.